Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best Outback Steakhouse baked potato in the oven. Alright, so you're going to need some potatoes. These aren't the biggest ones that I found, but these are the ones that we're going to deal with today. You're going to need some foil. If you have heavy duty foil, that'd be best. All you do want to do is do this. Put you some olive oil on it or some butter. Put you some salt on it. Like this. You got to make sure you coat that real good. Alright. And you just going to take it and move it around here in the salt and wrap it up. That's what I do. Like this. Same side up, like that. That's all you're doing. Next one, just like so. Salt. This is sea salt that I'm using, guys, so that you know. Take this and wrap it tight. Same side up. Like this. I say roughly like a tablespoon worth of olive oil or two. It's going to spread around. Trust me when I tell you. You can use your hands and do all this stuff if you want to. It's going to move around up in here. I guarantee you that. I did this so many times, it's ridiculous. At a restaurant. So, you know, at the restaurant, we ain't got time to be playing around. We got to do a whole bunch of these. A whole bunch. When I say a whole bunch, I'm talking about like, about 5, maybe about 300. So, because we got to have them prepped up for the next day as well. So these will be sitting on like a stand, like a cooking sheet, and we put them in either the cooler or in the prep station. I need one more. Rub that around there if you want to, or whatever. It's going to get all over. That I promise you. Okay, same side up. Let me see, make sure that one's up. Yep, it's up good enough. What we normally do is take a pan like so, put them in there, like this, preheat your oven to like 400, cook these bad boys for about an hour. See how that one busted open? Now I'm going to put another foil on there. That's why I say heavy duty, guys. I got some, don't get me wrong. We need some big ones. These like commercialized heavy duty ones. So I just want to do that. Alright, let me wipe this up. Because I get the smoking up in there. We don't want all that. So, alright. There you go. Alright guys, we're going to put this in the oven for about a good hour and a half or 45 minutes to an hour, I say. At 400 degrees. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're just going to go ahead and cut these potatoes up to see what we got. And we know what we got, right? That's how they do it in a restaurant. Just like this, guys. You can take the foil off if you want to, but they normally leave it on and give you that option. Alright, you can take your knife or a fork. This is what I like to do, is break it up and then like this. So when we put the butter in there, it'll be all through it. So yep, like that. Be careful because it's going to be hot. So I do about 3 of these. I got some hungry peoples waiting on these. No, I'm gonna mess with you guys. Alright. Like that. Alright. So the first thing you want to do here, go in with your butter. I'll say a tablespoon per potato. Like so. A little bit more than a tablespoon in that one over here. Like that. Alright. I'll work that in there a little bit. Come in with a little salt. Not too much, because remember we put salt on this already, guys. Alright. A little black pepper. Let me bring these up here. I know you guys ain't able to see what I'm doing now that I looked on the camera. So this is how it looks so far. Okay. Alright, now you're going to come with some sour cream. A little dab. Just like that. Take us a little cheese. Like that. There's two ways you can do this. You can put it back in the oven if you don't want it like this, but I'll assure you that the cheese will melt. Alright, now I got some steak that I already made up. Just like to throw them in there. like so. Now, if you want some bacon in, some chicken, and all that stuff, you can put that in there as well. Let's give them about 4 pieces, guys. Okay. All right. Now, like I said, if you want to put them back in the oven, you can, guys. But this is how I make my Outback baked potato. You guys can see that. There we go. Alright. So if you want to put any more condiments or whatever you want to put on there, you can. I'm done with what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. So guys, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tell everybody in your family or your friends, tell them to tune in to VELDOGGS Kitchen, where we'll be making restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. See you guys next time. And please do not forget, please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And I'm out.